Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how do you create a professional looking photo? So one you could use in LinkedIn with AI. So perhaps more the most you know efficient way to do this, and perhaps the most you know efficient way to edit anything at all is by AI. Okay, why? Because AI offers a bunch of really good insights and really good options like speed and efficiency, automated process. AI powered tools can automate repetitive tasks such as cropping, resizing, and basic adjustments, brightness, contrast, etc. Now, which saves time compared to manual editing. Batch processing as well. AI can handle batch processing of images, allowing you to edit multiple photos simultaneously with consistent quality and style, and also enhance accuracy and consistency. Okay, so we have a lot of editors out here editing what do you call this one? Editing platforms that are based off AI. This is one. Photo, you could absolutely use one here. So, and first to do this is preparation and photography. Choose your background. Opt for a plain neutral colored background, e.g. light, gray, beige, or a professional settings like an office backdrop. Ensure that your background isn't cluttered or distracting, and also the lighting is very important because natural light is the best for a soft, even illumination. So avoid harsh windows by positioning yourself at the light source. Now, I can't really stress this enough, like natural lighting. Okay, so attire, basically dress professionally, in attires subtle to your industry. Solid colors, e.g. blue, gray, black generally works as well. So avoid busy patterns or overly casual clothing, as this will interfere with your editing process using AI. So pose an expression and stand or sit upright with good posture. Maintain a friendly but facial expression. A slight smile often works best to appear approachable. And use a good quality camera for clear, sharp images. So if you're using smartphone, ensure that it has high resolution camera, 0.5 camera, and use their rear camera for better quality. And also leave some space above your head. Composition is really important. Frame yourself from your shoulders up, center in the centered image. So photo, really good for editing. Leave some space above your head, around 10 to 20% of the frame, to avoid cramped images. Multiple shots. Take several shots to choose from. Experimenting with different shots and poses and expressions can certainly help with this one. So choosing an AI tool like this one is really good because all you have to do is click and let it interpret the rest of it, And just adjust the image to LinkedIn's recommended dimensions like 400x, 400 pixels, brightness and contrast. So enhance to ensure your face is well lit and detailed very much to perfection. So adjust the colors, ensure that the colors are natural and not very overly saturated. So skin smoothing. So some tools offer options like these as well. So yeah, these things certainly help. So some tools offers options to soften skin imperfections, but use this sparingly to make a natural look. And avoid heavy editing that drastically changes your appearance and basically misrepresents you. So let's just go ahead and stick to that. Anyways, photo, really good for editing out there. Save the final images in high quality for JPEG, and upload your LinkedIn profile, basically. So thank you for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.